Good morning. My name's Margaret Pratt and I'm talking to you today with an update about the progress of the trial of those accused of murdering my husband Roger Pratt in St Lucia in January 2014. About 10 days ago, quite out of the blue, I got an email from the DPP's office in St Lucia asking if I could be available to meet with the DPP, Mr Dastrian Green, in London. I was very, very pleased that Mr Green had remembered the case and that he thought it important to come and talk to me when he was in London. So I went to the High Commission, which is in Kensington, and I met with Mr Myers, the High Commissioner. I'm very grateful to him for his hospitality, and also had an hour with Mr Green, and it was a pleasure to meet with him and to discuss elements of the case. And the update in summary is that the case is on track for trial. Mr Green assured me that he was making very good progress in terms of clearing the backlog of cases. He outlined to me some of the cases that he's cleared dating to 2012 and 2013, and therefore he now feels confident that he can move to clear cases relating to 2014. And of course, Roger's case is probably one of the first of those. So all very encouraging. He's saying that the trial will last about a fortnight, that obviously I am the only witness, so he's keen that I am there throughout. The trial will be against 3 defendants because the case against one about his fitness to plead is still outstanding and won't be resolved until after the trial that's being in planning now. Mr Green is meeting with the judge in charge of Roger's case on over next week, and he will be programming the order of cases for this sitting between September and Christmas. My view was that I would prefer certainty about the date to kicking my heels in St Lucia waiting for one case to finish and another to start. Maybe it slips a little bit, but at least if I know what date I have to be in St Lucia, I can then plan around that. And Mr Green understands that, and he has assured me he will do his best, and I know he will. The other piece of great news is that one of the other long-term cases that's been outstanding, the murder of a lady named Gloria Greenwood, who was murdered in her garden in 2011, that case too is coming to trial this week, and it will start on Monday. And I'm delighted for the daughters of Mrs Greenwood that the case is now coming to trial.